What is going on, everybody? It has been a hot minute, or hot 4 months, should I say. It's been a crazy summer, but we're out here. We're going sledding October 30th. We're parked at about 16.5 kilometers, and there's a good bit of snow here already. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Let's get unloading some sleds. Okay, so first cabin is just right over here, just in the meadow in front of the cabin. I'm gonna do a quick snow depth check with the probe here. We'll try this out. Almost, there we go. All right. Okay, we got about 56 centimeters right here. I'll probe over here too. $62 over here. Decent. Not too bad for October 30th. We've had not a whole lot of snow in the last few days, but the last 2 days it's rained steady down low, and it's equaled to some decent snow up top. So here we are. This is definitely better than we were kind of expecting, so we'll take it. The resist to go off the trail is higher than I would have thought, or the temptation, I should say, to go off the trail, but so far so good, but definitely need to be careful. Definitely, like, off camera, we're definitely going slower than when we're filming today, but wow, this is definitely, it was kind of what I expected as far as snow amount, but it's definitely better than I thought it was going to be, in a way. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just feels so good to be back out on the sleds again. That was a brutal summer we had there. Forest fires getting too close and all that, so feels really good to be back out on the sleds. But yeah, so we're just kind of, cabins just over there, but we're just kind of hanging out here, enjoying the sunshine. Unreal. Not bad for October. Not bad at all. So what'd you do there, Mark?
You see, I was holding her wide open, and next thing you know,
Kablamo. Nice.
another one.
First one you've ever done?
Yeah, 2,900 kilometers, I think.
That's not bad. It's actually
Better
quite
than
good.
the 2017s, that's for sure.
Nice. Now we gotta clean all that up, I guess.
Yeah.
Just like that. Made her back down. We actually ran into a couple of guys that were heading up on sleds on our way down, so I was not expecting to see other people up there, but yeah, it's pretty good out there today. We got lucky that we didn't hit anything too hard under the snow, but yeah, it was a little too tempting to just doodle out into the meadows, but we knew the risk, and yeah, so all's good. Oh yeah, I actually forgot to film. We got Mark's sled all back together again. All the belt tore out of his clutches and stuff, and got a new belt on there, and he managed to ride it down, so he's all loaded up and good to go. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, this year I have plans to be the biggest year I've ever had as far as sledding. Hopefully get out more than I ever have before, and just work on skills even more. So it's gonna be a good year. I'm very excited. So yeah, I guess till a week or two from now, I will see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.